Because there was no knowledge, so there was fear. Fear of the unknown. You didn't know what lay ahead. So you're afraid of venturing out. That fear is no more there because tech enables you to peep deep into the jungle. So you emerge. And you emerge all equipped with means of destruction, because destruction is what you were anyway always doing, even inside the cave. Even within that primitive village, even within the household, even when we were much more like orangutans and apes sitting on treetops, we were still equally destructive. Do you get this? But that destruction was tolerable because the ape can't destruct beyond a point. Now remaining the beast within, what the curve of evolution has given us is tech power. Tech power. So we see what is happening. And just as the curve of evolution says knowledge will go this way, you very well know that nothing in nature can be infinite. Right?